The story began when I caught a severe cold and I could no longer record videos. I could edit videos and attend to my other tasks, but my voice. So I sought a way to continue my work even in these days, ensuring my channel wouldn't deviate from its routine. I delved into research until I discovered voice cloning. While I was familiar with this technology and had worked with it years ago, the recent advancements in artificial intelligence have given voice cloning an entirely new significance. Today I want to show you how to lend your voice to AI so that it can use your voice to convert text to speech. This not only resolves the need for a studio or a quiet environment, but also delivers high-quality results. Another notable advantage is that the voice you use for your videos will no longer be heard in dozens of other videos and channels.
This way, you won't worry about your channel getting demonetized anymore.
There are various tools and websites for this purpose, but for this video I've chosen to use 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an excellent website for converting text to speech, providing access to numerous natural-sounding voices. To use 11 Labs, after signing up, simply provide the text, select your preferred voice, and click the Generate button.
One day, a chatbot asked another chatbot, "Hey, do you know why programmers don't like nature? Because it has too many bugs. Ha 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 ha. That's nothing. Do you know why the AI goes to therapy? It has too many neural issues."
However, to use your own voice, you first need to log into your 11 Labs account. 11 Labs offers a free plan for everyone, allowing you to use it for up to 10,000 characters per month. To create a custom voice, we need to purchase at least the starter plan, which provides 10 custom voices and 30,000 characters per month. The price for this plan is $5 per month, but with the current 80% discount, you can get it for $1 for the first month. In order to make it easier for you to access, I have placed the link to the 11 Labs website in the description of this video. Let's go with cloning.
After registering and entering the Voice Lab section, you can create a custom voice or clone your own. By clicking on plus button, you'll see 4 options available to you, that the last option becomes active for you in higher tier plans. The first option, Voice Design, allows you to create a new AI voice by specifying a few simple parameters, such as gender, age, and accent.
First we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters and we thought it was a typewriter.
The second option is voice cloning, which simulates your voice. The last option also simulates your voice but is much more advanced, making it difficult to distinguish from your real voice. However, this process can take up to 4 weeks. So let's proceed with option 2. After click on plus button, choose a name for your voice for easy identification. Then, provide a recorded sample of your voice. Remember, the file should ideally be over a minute and less than 10 megabytes, free from noise and background sounds like music. It's better to provide more than one file for better analysis by artificial intelligence. But as it itself mentions, the quality of the voices is more important than the number of files you give it. There is one point in this section that I'll tell you at the end of the video. So make sure to watch the video carefully until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. After selecting your files, you can add up to 5 labels. For example, this sound belongs to a woman, has an American accent, and is young. Then, write a brief description about your voice like this: voice of a young woman, suitable for narration or news. Then, you need to confirm that you have the necessary rights and consent for uploading and simulating this voice, and that you won't use the generated voice for illegal purposes. After these steps, click on Add Voice. The simulation of your voice happens quickly, and you can then receive your simulated voice in 29 languages. Now this new voice is in your Voice Lab. You can use it, edit it, or delete it using these buttons. Click on the Use button to navigate the speech synthesis page. Adjust the settings and choose your voice, then click Generate. Hi, this is my cloning sound with artificial intelligence. This is crazy. Not? Here, you have settings where you can select your cloning voice or a pre-built AI voice.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
You can adjust the stability and clarity of the voice and choose the model of the AI voice from the single language English version 1 or the multilingual versions 1 and 2, which support various languages. Once you're confident about the settings, copy your text into the relevant box and hit Generate.
Un día, un chatbot le preguntó a otro chatbot, «Oye, ¿sabes por qué a los programadores no les gusta la naturaleza? Porque tiene demasiados errores». Eso no es nada. ¿Sabes por qué la IA va a terapia? Tiene demasiados problemas neuronales.
It's very exciting to see yourself speaking multiple languages.
Bir gün bir sohbet robotu başka bir sohbet robotuna sordu. Hey, programcıların doğayı neden sevmediğini biliyor musun? Çünkü çok fazla böcek var. Ha 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 ha. Bu bir şey değil. Yapay zekanın neden terapiye gittiğini biliyor musun? Çok fazla sinirsel sorunu var. في أحد الأيام سأل أحد برامج الدردشة روبوتاً آخر مرحباً هل تعلم لماذا لا يحب المبرمجون الطبيعة؟ لأنها تحتوي على الكثير من الأخطاء. هذا لا شيء. هل تعرف لماذا يذهب الذكاء الاصطناعي إلى العلاج؟ إنه يعاني من الكثير من المشاكل العصبية.
In the history menu, you can access voices you've created and relevant scripts. Now, let's talk about the use cases for this technology. Voices that are no longer among us. With this amazing tool, we can keep alive the voices that hold memories for us. Or sometimes, like me, many might encounter the same issue I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Perhaps you don't have a good microphone, or maybe you don't have access to a quiet environment. This tool can be immensely helpful.
Hey Janelle, what's wrong with Wolfie? I can hear him barking.
Feel free to share in the comments other ways you think this technology can be used. One last note for those who have been with me throughout this video. If you struggle to speak English fluently, I have good news. It's not necessary for your voice to be in English. You can give your voice in any language you desire. I hope this video helps you navigate the rapidly changing world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel.